Michael versus Michael.
This is Michael versus Michael.
Round 3.
Round 3. Let's see the other Michael. Where the hell is the other Michael? There you go. Michael Balboa. This is Michael 2 against Michael 5. Alright, let's go for it, guys. Get ready. Get set. Go! Oh! Go! Grab his. There you go. Higher, man. Higher, Michael. No, the other Michael. Michael 1. Higher. Come on, you're gonna fall. Come on, get closer. Ah, he lost.
Oh, Joel, you're next, Joel. And then I win. And Joel, and then I win. Let's go.
I gotta go on. That's your heart.
You guys should stay on that pole.
Okay, this is Michael against Joel.
Round 3.
Round 1. Get ready. Get set. Go.
That's an easy one.
Come on. You just look at him like he's gonna fall. Look at his face. Ah, he fell. See?
This nigga sucks, yo.
I told you.
You can't bring me down.
I bet I can. I bet I can.
Hey, no, not you. Jeffrey. You gotta bring slam me up the neck. Let's go, Michael. Set, go.
Okay, Joel against Michael.
Again.
Round 3.
Round 3, I guess. Get ready. Get set. Go.
That's the easy one. Michael, just look at that.
He fell by himself.
Try again.
Okay, the rematch. Michael versus Michael. Ready, Michael?
Michael, look at him. Chill out. Whoa.
Okay, get ready. Get set. Go. Get closer.
Hit him, Michael. Hit him.
Oh, he about to fall. Oh. Get him. Get closer. Ah, he fell still.
Good.
I didn't have it as a plan.
Okay, let's go. Get ready. Get set. Go.
It's gonna be awesome.
To the death.
Don't kick it without you.
Don't kick, man. Ah, he's down.
Stop.
Oh, it's me and Jeffrey.
Okay, you and Jeffrey, come on, let's go.
No, hell no, man. What's up?
Come on, Jeffrey, let's go. Carol City versus AP. AP Alapata. Get ready. Get set. Go. Oh, he's falling already. Oh, he's falling. No, get closer. Ah, he fell. Man, they beat Carol City, man.
Look, my hand was sweaty. Look.
Yeah, I know.
You can't play now.
Watch out. No.
It's in my car.
Man.
Watch out, no.
Hey, let me just show you right quick.
No, you're a disgrace to the side of whatever this. You're a disgrace to me. You're fired. Check your bags and go. No, I don't want to get Sandy. I don't want to get Sandy, dad. Michael! You gotta stop using the one. Chill out, man. Hey, chill out.